are a few prerequisites required before Office 365 can be provisioned. Microsoft requires token-based authentication for this provision. We need to register Office 365 in Azure, set the appropriate permissions, and create a client secret. It's also a best practice to create a specific role in CyberArk Identity for Office 365 users. Log into Azure with admin credentials and navigate to Applications, App Registrations. Click New Registration. Give the application a name and click Register. With the application registered, we need to assign specific permissions. Click Add a Permission and click Microsoft Graph. There are two categories of permissions that need to be set: delegated permissions and application permissions. Review the online documentation for the full list of required permissions. When all the permissions are set, click Add Permissions. These permissions require admin consent to set. Click Grant Admin Consent. The last prerequisite is to set a client secret for this application. Click Certificates and Secrets. Click New Client Secret. Give the secret a description and choose the expiration timeframe. Click Add. This is the only time you can copy the secret value. We're now ready to provision Office 365 and CyberArk Identity. For more information, check out our online resources.